Should I take the podium?
Podium. All podium.
இங்க லைட் நல்லா இருக்கா? நல்லா இல்லையா? எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். சென்னை வந்து ரொம்ப நாளாச்சு, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். All media, press and my entire team of Slumdog. First, I'll start talking about my director. It's a dream come true. அது எனக்கு மட்டும் இல்லை, இந்த படம் நான் பண்ண போகிறேன் அந்த நியூஸ் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் நான் எந்த செட்டுக்கு போனாலும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவங்க எல்லாரும் literally everyone, actors, directors, technicians, everyone was telling me it is going to be one of its kind experience working with Puri sir, because அவங்க ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக ஸ்டைலிஷாக டைரக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அவங்க டைரக்ட் பண்ணுறதே ஒரு அழகு. ஆக்சுவலி கரெக்ட் டைமில் ஷூட் முடிக்கிறது இல்லை, அது ரொம்ப ஆக்சுவலி எனக்கு கரெக்ட் பண்ணணும். டைமுக்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி முன்னாடியே ஷூட்டை முடிக்கிறது தான் அவங்களோட ஸ்டைல். ஒரு ஃபுல் டே ஷூட் சொன்னால் ஹாஃப் டேலேயே அதை முடிச்சுட்டு ஹில் சே பேக்கப்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, ரொம்ப சர்ப்ரைசிங்காக. அண்ட் ஸோ இட் இஸ் அ ஆனர் that I got this opportunity to work with you, sir. And a very beautiful character. நான் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கேரக்டர் பண்ணதே இல்லை. கான்ட்ராஸ்டிங் ஆன ரெண்டு எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் வேரியேஷன் இருக்கிற ஒரு கேரக்டர். And I'm very happy that I got this opportunity. And next, இவங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி India's one of the finest actor. Big fan. சும்மா ஒரு மேடையில் இருக்க மைக் இருக்குன்னு அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்ல சார், ஹியூஜ் ஃபேன். சம் ஆக்டிங் பார்க்குறதே அழகு, ஸ்க்ரீனில் பார்க்குறது இட்ஸ் சம்திங் எல்ஸ், பட் நேரில் பார்க்குறதே யூ ஃப்ளோ. அது எப்படி? ஸோ வென் சர் வாஸ் சேயிங் டைலாக் லைன்ஸை உள்வாங்கி நீங்கள் பேசும்போது இட் ரியலி ஃபீல்ஸ் தட் இட் இஸ் கம்மிங் ஃப்ரம் வித்தின். And that transition from you to that character, அது பார்க்குறதே ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும். அது ஆக்சுவலி என்னென்னா அதை விட்னஸ் பண்ணுறவங்களுக்கு தான் அந்த சந்தோஷம். உங்களுக்கு யூ கேனாட் see, you can only see the performance on screen. But as a co-actor, I have witnessed the way நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற அந்த transition to the character. So it's beautiful to work with you. You're so sweet. I know you're so sweet, you're so humble, but நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒரு but I will not say that you're simple, because ஒரு இன்டர்வியூவில் நான் பார்த்துருக்கேன், I think it was in Hindi, இதெல்லாம் நான் அவ்வளோ சிம்பிள் இல்லை, இதெல்லாம் போட்டிருக்கிற அவுட்ஃபிட் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப காஸ்ட்லின்னு சொல்லி நீங்கள் ஒரு வீடியோ இருக்கும். ஸோ பட் indeed you are very simple, sir. And stunning album. I have heard all the songs. Puri sir has made me listen, I think 4 songs I have heard. Kick-ass album. Amazing album. And looking forward for all the songs. And to my producers, of course, I have to say, actually when sir said that you have invested a lot of money, I would say that you have invested a lot of emotion and energy into the film. A lot of your time. You're someone who gets, you took up that film, it's not like, okay, not just investing money, but you are really involved in the way how the film was turning out. And those little compliments when it comes from you, it means a lot. Thank you so much. And your hospitality needs to be spoken about. Every day, I will get something like, walking into the set, the production food will be amazing, and she herself makes sure all the actors are really happy, and she really feeds everyone really well. Thank you so much. And JB sir, sorry, Tamil பேசுறேன். JB sir, thank you so much. ரொம்ப நன்றி. And that's it. Thank you so much. இன்னும் எவ்வளோ என்ன பேசணும்னு தெரியல. எல்லாருக்கும் இந்த படம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். நானும் டீசர் இப்போ தான் நான் பார்த்தேன். நான் இன்னும் படம் முழுசாக இப்போ பார்க்கல. பட் ஐ எம் வெரி ஷோர் ஆஃப் ஒன் திங். there's a separate fan base for my director Puri sir. I've seen people அவங்க மேல ஒரு ஷூட் பேக்கப் அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்களோட ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு தனி கூட்டம் இருக்கும். And I've seen people who have tattooed his name. That level of fans you have created for. So that's your brand. So looking forward to watch the entire film. Thank you so much. Thank you. I also have to say my cameraman, he showed me really beautiful. So Amalkum, Rumba thanks. Thank you so much.
First of all, I feel so good seeing you all after so many years. Same venue, same people, same smiles. I remember 2002 when I came into Chennai for the first time for Kadal Adivadilai. Those days I met media friends, and since then I did so many movies. I got so much love from you all. Until today, I feel like when I'm meeting you all and talking to you, I feel that we did not lose any connect. I felt that bond and warmth with you all, talking to you and spending time with you today. Tamil, little bit okay. I don't want to mess up unnecessarily, so I lost track. Setu sir also will not speak in Tamil. He wants to learn Telugu, so he will ask me to speak in Telugu. So I completely lost track. Yeah, so coming back to this movie, Slumdog, I'm here again, but this time as a producer, and by God's grace, we have produced a lot of successful films in our banner Puri Connects, and this is our first straight Tamil film coming from Puri Connects, and it feels amazing to be here as a producer. We have got so much love already, and Slumdog is a blend of action and emotion. Coming to action, it is very original and real kind of action you will see. You will see a lot of human to human connect, very grounded, original emotions you can expect from Slumdog. And beautifully storytelling, beautifully expressed the screenplay, and a blend of Setu sir and Puri Jagannath. It's going to be beautiful. Commercial meets the best talent. It's going to be beautiful. And I promise you, we are going to make you proud with Slumdog 33 Temple Road. It's going to be releasing in theaters very soon. And I'm very proud of myself that I got the opportunity of producing this film, working with amazing actors. We have one of the best casting here. Starting from Setu sir, he is first an actor, and an actor who is a big star. This combination makes a lot of difference for movies where you need performance, plus you need to be full of commercial weight, where in trade and business people will believe that yes, he can hold a film like this on his shoulders by himself. That is Vijay Sethupathi for us. Thank you, sir. I'm so proud that you gave us this opportunity. And sir, I'm going to make you very proud. And I promise you, we are going to have one of the best theatrical release worldwide in all languages: Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam, and Kannada. Then coming to one of my most favorite, my very dear friend since so many years, Tabu ma'am. When Puri sir wrote this script, it was Tabu ma'am and Tabu ma'am and Tabu ma'am. We could not see anyone else doing this role. And I personally know her as friend, and I am a big fan of Tabu ma'am since so many years. So I just picked up the phone and I said, I need to meet you. She gave me the appointment. we met her, and immediately she said, "Yes, I'm doing this. Not only my role, but the whole film, the whole script is worth working for." And she immediately gave us the confidence also that yes, you guys have written a great script. So thank you, Tabu ma'am. Till today, she has been so supportive to us and always giving us good advice and everything. Thank you, Tabu ma'am. Then Dunya Vijay sir, again a gem of a person, pure gold at heart. We called him and he said, "Please come." And we went to Bangalore, gave him the narration. He didn't ask me anything. He just stood, gave hug to Puri sir and said, "Sir, I am doing this film. I love the script and I want to work with you. No matter what, I am doing this film." He adjusted his dates for us. And because we had a huge slum setup and other combination dates, he said, "I'm doing this." He adjusted his dates for us and he was there for us. So, Dunya Vijay Kumar sir, forever, forever thankful for accepting this film for us. You are a very big star in Kannada and, of course, everywhere. And you play the main villain in this film. Thank you so much for that. And coming to my beauty, Samyukta. Again with Samyukta, I called Karthik. Karthik has worked with us earlier. I said, "Karthik, I want to meet Samyukta. This is a girl who comes from village. So I need to see her, how she looks right now. Because I've seen some of her interviews and I think she looks much prettier in person than in the movies that I have seen. So can I please meet her?" And there Samyukta came, and it was like love at first sight. We hit it immediately, and the narration session continued towards dinner and then dancing, and then we were like, we just had a blast. And then she came over on set.